Endurance, endurance, endurance. This is bones, bones. Come back.
There are several whale spotting boats on Challenger Bank. Communicating with these boats provides the Ocean Vet team with specific coordinates to the whales' locations. The report confirms several pods on the southeast corner of Challenger Bank, an area well known for its abundance of wildlife. This is the location for the first biopsy attempt.
The health of these whales is being threatened by the amount of plastic being dumped into the oceans. And as these whales filter feed, they take in 50,000 litres of water, including all these little microplastic particles that break up. These animals are so beautiful, so gracious, and we are poisoning them. That's why it's important to me. So we have a whale ahead of us. He's lying on his side. He's waving his pectoral fin at us. He seems really comfortable. We're going to try and get a biopsy right here, right now. Forward, Choy.
Yeah.
Forward, Choy.
Yeah.
Forward, Choy. Oh, no! No. I was too close. I allowed for a foot of drop, and it only dropped 6 inches. It went clean over the top of his back.
Keeping up with the whales is extremely challenging. The sea is rough and the boat is extremely small. If a whale breaches and lands on top of the boat, it would seriously injure everyone.
Here. Good. Stop the boat, You run over the...
I did.
I'm retrieving the line. I got a shot. It did hit the water's edge. We'll see if we've got the tissue biopsy we need. There is a whale directly behind us. There are whales directly below us. We're in a large pod of whales right now. We have whale blubber. We have a biopsy. We've got skin and blubber from that humpback whale. Perfect.
We've got probably 5 or 6 big pod. Looks like males jostling with each other. That's one of the reasons we can get in so close. Normally we can't get up like this, but because they're jostling with each other, they're more interested in each other than they are with us. So we can sneak in, get the biopsy. They don't know any different.
Back in the action, Neil and Choy line up on another humpback.
Just call it, because I can't see.
Move to your right. Stay there, slow down. Keep going.
Yeah,
Forward.
I'm going. I don't want to spook it. It's right here. Oh my gosh. Yay! Whoa! Holy...
Biopsy taken. We've got the biopsy. Just put the boat out of gear.
Yeah. It's out of gear. All right. Now, handle the arrow. Oh! Yeah, baby!
That is whale blubber. We have a second tissue sample, and again, we've got skin right at the junction, and we've got blubber hanging out of the tip. So we've got a very good second sample of blubber that will allow us to assess for the presence of these pollutant chemicals.
So the team have obtained their second biopsy. By the sound of the crew, it went rather well. The animal was keen to remind the team not to get too close to its enormous tail. Collecting the other 3 biopsies took some time, but eventually Neil and Choy got what they needed for a successful toxin study.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is transfer our samples that we got on the boat out of the biopsy tips into some glass vials for freezing.
Lay this flat.
Yeah.
I'm going to push this sample in past the barbs. You should be able to pull and extract it.
Look at
There
that.
is the sample.
Beautiful core.
So we have skin at the top.
Yeah, blubber layer
blubber
underneath. Yeah, and the blubber layer, this fat layer here, that's where things like persistent organic pollutants, any kind of pollutants tend to hang out inside the blubber tissue, and because whales are so fatty, they typically carry a lot of it. So there's one sample ready to go. We're gonna freeze these, put them in a deep freeze, and then they're gonna get sent off to Dr. Ken Drouillard at the Great Lakes Institute for Environmental Research. And what they're gonna do is do a toxicology study on these and just let us know what they find. So we're really excited about this, and all in all, that little sample, that is an awesome success. Yeah.
That sample is priceless.